Hello, welcome back, and here's another video on arithmetic progressions. Okay, so given an AP where the third term plus the eighth term plus the 13th term and the 18th term, blah 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 blah, all the way up to the 98th term is equals to 2017. All right, find the sum of T1 and T2 and T3 and so on to T100. All right, so that's the question. As you can see, this is third term, and obviously you skip 5 and you skip 5 and so on up to 98. What's the sum of all terms from 1 to 100? Have a think about it. Okay, pause the video if you like, and we'll be back in 5 seconds to give you the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, welcome back. So this here's the question. So if you've seen our previous video, you'd remember that any odd number of terms, if summed, okay, S3 is actually equal to 3 times of T2. All right, we'll give you links to the previous video in the description. All right, but just to revise, if you have, for example, 5 terms, okay, the sum to 5 is actually equals to 5 times the middle term. All right, and we're going to use this second property here. So any odd number of groupings of arithmetic progressions, they don't even have to start from T1. Okay, they can start from any T. Let's say T3 to T7, that sort of thing. But anyway, if you start from T1 to T5 and you sum all 5 terms together, it's actually the same as taking the middle term, T3, multiplied by 5. Okay, so that conveniently brings us to this question. Okay. As you can see, the terms are separated by 5. So T3, sum to T1 to T5 is actually 5 times of T3. And conveniently, okay, sum of the next 5 terms, which is T6 to T10. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to write this, but I'm just going to create my own notation here. Okay, sum of terms 6 to 10 is actually equal to 5 times that middle term. And isn't that convenient, right? T3 and T8, and the next one, okay, will obviously be the next group. Okay, sum 11 to 15, right? That's going to be 5 times of T13. Right, so you see where we're headed with this. Okay, the final group coincidentally will be the sum from 96 to 100, right? And that obviously is equal to 5 times of T98, and which brings us to sum from term 1 to term 5 all the way to term 100. So if you take all that, all these results, that gives you the sum from 1 to 100, which is simply as 100, is equal to 5 times that previous sum, T3 and T8 and so on to T98, which is equal to 5 times of 2017. How convenient, right? Well, if you want to work that out, that's going to be 40,085, but it doesn't matter. So the trick is recognizing that you can group the terms in groups of 5, right? So that's a pretty neat trick. Again, given very little information, okay, you don't have the starting term, you don't have the common difference, you can actually just so happen to work out that sum. All right, I hope you found that interesting. So the next time, have a great day. See you at the next video.